Hey friends, if you wish to zoom in on a video editor in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the default video editor of Windows 11 is Microsoft Clipchamp. If you wish, you can check for it in the Windows search bar by searching for Microsoft Clipchamp and open it. Now I have a video here and all I need to do for zooming it is pull it from the sides. Okay, use these 4 side angles to pull this. Okay, this is how you can zoom in or zoom out a certain point on the video. But let's say that I wish to zoom this video till this point of the video. Okay, I don't want to zoom it further. Then simply cut this video into parts and then zoom out the first part, and for the second part you can choose not to zoom it out. You can set it as the original size. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.